In this video I am going to show how to manually calibrate the WatchGas SST4. To do this you will need the provided calibration cap and hose, a gas cylinder with gases equal to the sensors in the unit, a 0.5 ml per minute regulator and a mobile phone with the WatchGas device link application you can download for free in the App Store. After you download and install the free WatchGas app, you need to add the gas bottle you want to use for the calibration. Go into the menu and use the password service. Go to gas bottle list and tap Add Bottle and fill in the required gas bottle information. You should be able to find this information on the label of your gas bottle. Carefully copy the values of the gas bottle and be sure that these gases correspond to the sensors in the detector. Use original gas bottles that are supported by your gas detection supplier. Copy the values into the app. Do this carefully as this information will later be visible on your calibration certificate. When you are done with this, press Save. You will now see the entered gas bottle in your gas bottle library. With the stored gas bottles here, you can calibrate any SST range device as long as the gases are matched with the sensors in the unit. Now go to the calibration section in the menu and select your gas bottle you want to use for the calibration. Make sure your gas bottle with the regulator and calibration cap is ready for use. To be on the safe side, check that there is still enough gas in the bottle. We are now ready to start the calibration. Before starting, make sure the SST4 is in communication mode by activating the NFC by pressing the button for 2 seconds. A short beep will be heard and the NFC communication logo will already be visible at the top right of the screen. In the calibration section in the app, press Tap to activate the calibration. Now hold your phone against the back of the unit to start the calibration. You will see the unit immediately begin the fresh air calibration. Wait until this is complete before mounting the calibration cap. Once the fresh air calibration is complete, the unit will wait for calibration gas to be applied. Confirm in the app that the fresh air calibration is complete. This is the moment you mount the calibration cap onto the unit. As soon as you start the gas supply and the sensors detect a gas flow, the calibration will start automatically. Now it's time to wait until the calibration time is complete. When this is completed, the unit will indicate that the calibration is successful on the display. It will now go back to the measuring mode where you can see that the values are almost the same as the values in your gas bottle. Turn off the gas supply and remove the calibration cap. Allow the sensors to slowly return to their 0 point. Now tap Span Cal Done and tap the device to the WatchGas device link application to obtain the pass calibration result and to create a calibration certificate into the app. Checkmark the indicated acoustic and visual checkpoints that you have observed yourself together with the visual inspection on the device. These checkpoints will be visible on the certificate together with the entered name that performed the calibration. Your calibration certificate is now stored into your phone application. Check this for correctness and start a new calibration if desired, or press Finish to exit calibration mode. One of the nice unique aspects of the WatchGas SST range is that you can easily check the health of your unit on the calibration certificate with the indicated star rating visible on the certificates. If you want to view the calibration certificates, go to the section Certificates and find your certificate there. From there you can easily view them or forward them via multiple options such as Bluetooth or email. The WatchGas SST4 is now successfully calibrated.